Here you can see this button is not enabled. This is why, see, we not added the application suite reference package to our project. That's why this option is not enabled. So for adding this reference package, you go to D365 menu, then model management, then update model parameters. Here you select your model. Customer, see, we already created a customer remarks model. See, select this model, click on next button. Then here you can see application suite reference package. Tick on this package, click on next button. Then finally click on finish button. So this package is added to our project. Now you can see this create extension is already enabled. So click on create extension. So this table is added to our project.